The following program is rated G. It is suitable for all audiences.
Ang regular showing ay pansamantalang tinitigil para sa isang not-so-regular show. Maraming salamat po.
Ba 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 banana, ba 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 banana, oh ba 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 banana, ba 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 banana, ba ba banana, tocali no potato li cani malo manica no tica, ba 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 banana, yo plano fu, la mano no tu, ma banana la camupita la mo banana, ba 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 banana, potato. Tocali no potato li cani malo manica no tica, ba 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 banana.
Oh, despicable me.
Back to the regular show.
I'm at a payphone. The sun goes down, the stars come out. Let me know where the times go. My universe will never be the same.
Pop Danthology.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how are bullets ricochet? Shoot me down, but I get up. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I'd trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night and wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other girls try to chase me, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You took your time with the call, I took no time with the fall. You gave me nothing at all, but still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal at first sight, and it's real. I didn't know I would feel it, but it's in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night and wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at you, baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other girls, they try to taste me. Here's my number, so call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad. I missed you so, so bad. It's hard to look right at your baby, but here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other girls that want my babies, here's my number, so call me maybe. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. I missed you so bad.
Red wine.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all of my money and don't give two
I'm on
shits.
the floor. I love to dance, so give me more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop, we're higher than a mother.
No, I've never seen nothing like you. No one else makes me feel like you do. Yeah, I've searched across the universe, seen many things so beautiful, it's true. But I never seen nothing like you. Been all around the world, seen everything from the north, south, east, west, but I never found someone with your heart of gold. From Paris to Rome to places I've never known,
Nothing felt as right as you and I never wanna let you go. I look so alone in every face and place I've gone, even in my dreams. No, I've never seen nothing like you. No one else makes me feel like you do. Yeah, I've searched across the universe, seen anything so beautiful, it's true. But I've never seen nothing like you. If I traveled through time, I still could never find a future past that ever had someone who compares to everything you are. From Mona Lisa's smile to angels up in heaven's sky, you're the one who saved my heart. I look so alone in every face and place I've gone, even in my dreams. No, I've never seen nothing like you. No one else makes me
So we talked all night about the rest of our lives, where we're gonna be when we turn 25. Keep thinking times will never change. Keep on thinking things will always be the same. But when we leave this year, we won't be coming back. No more hanging out 'cause we're on a different track. And if you got something that you need to say, you better say it right now, 'cause you don't have another day. 'Cause we're moving on and we can't slow down. These memories are playing like a film without sound. And I keep thinking of that night in June. I didn't know much of love, but it came too soon. And it was me and you, and then we got real blue. Stay at home talking on the telephone, and we would get so excited and we get so scared, laughing at ourselves, thinking life's not fair. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever. So if we get the big jobs and we make the big money, when we look back now, will the jokes still be funny? Will we still remember everything we learned in school? Still be trying to break every single rule? Will little brainy Bobby be the stockbroker man? Can ever find a job that won't interfere with pretend? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. Keep on thinking it's our time to fly. And this is how it feels. As we go on, we remember all the times we had together. And as our lives change from whatever, we will still be friends forever.
friends forever.
I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair, sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me, knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain, someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I'd want it to be you.
Okay, Jaja, on cam na tayo, on cam. Light, camera, action! Isang magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Narito po ako upang hingian ang pahiyag ng ilang mga estudyante sa 3A na pinamumunuan ni Ginang Rusi. Dali, siya! Bago pa tayo muna! Dali! Diyan may more na! Dali, Jaja! Ano po yung sabihin yung dalawa kay ma'am? At may page po. Alamya. Sabay kayawan? I love you. Ano ba? Hindi ko. Sige ko sa koryo. Ating pong natunghayan ang aking paghingi sa dalawang magkaibigan na si Ayan Bukala at Armabel Abi. Susunod naman po, tutunghayan po natin ang mga susunod na iba pang estudyante sa 3A. Nasa camera na ulit tayo. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Magbabalik na naman po ang aking Salsa ka dyan. Hello. Pangalan niyo ulit? Ba yan? Ano nga ulit pangalan niyo? Diyan, ano ba yan? Blocking ka. Pangalan niyo? Ano nga ulit pangalan niyo? Magandang araw po, hello. Ano masasabi niyo kay ma'am?
Ma'am, thank you sa lahat ng binigay mo sa akin para sa amin. Hindi ka nang kulang sa resources ngayon bilang second mother sa amin lahat. Naging mabait ka sa amin at higit sa lahat ay magpapasensya lang.
Wow.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
De, afternoon to ipapalabas.
Ma'am, thank you sa lahat. Kahit napasaway kami ni Abby, pinagbigyan niyo po kami kahit na mataluan.
Live po tayo.
Sige lang po kayo, pasensya na.
Alam niyo ba kayo, may pinaka-sense na sinabi sa lahat ng na-interview.
So naman po,
Bagong rebound.
pasensya na po sa technical problem. Kami.
Pag kami ngay, ano sabi mo? Excuse me. Pakilakas naman po. Ano sabi yon?
Mahal na mahal ka po namin, ma'am, kahit po makulit kami. Pasensyahan niyo na po kami. Mahal ka po namin.
Wow.
Ito nga yung mic eh.
Game. Balik na tayo sa'yo.
Maraming salamat po sa ABS. Ngayon po, ay ating naman pong tutunghayan ang pahayag ng
Hello, Tres Locos, Tres Marias, Trio Tagapaya, kung ano man ang tawag sa inyo. Ano ang masasabi nyo kay ma'am?
na mahihiya.
Sige, lalayo ako. Para sa inyo.
Hi, ma'am.
Nakasama mo boss mo kasi hindi ka rinig eh.
Hi. Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Tapos,
Ito nga pala. Ako si Jeff.
eto sino to?
Ako si Chris.
Eto. Sino ka ba? Ano masasabi nyo kay ma'am?
Merry Christmas. Salamat nga pala sa mga tinuturo mo sa araw-araw at sana sa mabigyan mo kami sa lahat ng mga sinasabi namin sa amin. Yung mga sinasagot mo sa amin at mga sinasabi mo sa amin, yun lalo sa puso yun. Hindi ka namin malilimutan sa dahil niya.
Ikaw naman.
Salamat ma'am dahil isa ka mabuting guro. Marunong magturo sa lahat ng mga bagay na aming nalilimutan. Nandiyan ka upang ipaalala ang mga kasagutan. Alam mo naman na kami ay marunong, natututo. Kaya nga, di ba? Natulang kami dito eh. Kulang ang mga kaibigan. Pero nandiyan ka upang kami kaibigan. Nandiyan ang ilong.
Ikaw. Beatbox.
Salamat.
Yun eh. Lagi na.
Pagkatapos po nating talakay o hingian ng pahayag ang Weirdo Boys, ay atin naman pong hihingian ng pahayag ang iba't ibang grupo sa Triagi. Simulan naman po natin sa Bourgeoisie Boys.
Dali siya. Dali. Ay.
Baka umalis na.
Ayan na pala.
Weirdo Boys, ano pong masasabi niyo para kay Ma'am Lucy?
Sabi nyo kay ma'am.
Ayos, sobra. Awesome.
Ikaw, sorry ah.
Surya, mabait at matalino. Sobra galing.
Sobrang
Wala
galing.
ano.
Ano message nyo kay ma'am ngayong Christmas?
Para masyado ko siyang tumaba. Merry Christmas, Merry.
Merry. Wala man lang, I love you, ma'am. Sige na.
Ito.
Sige na. Yee!
Wala na tayo. Sorry, sabihin mo na. Para
One,
Wala
two.
tayo. Sabi ka. I wanna die daw ba?
Sabi mo pala representative kami ng Bourgeoisie. Nga pala, representative tong dalawa ng Bourgeoisie.
Bourgeoisie pamilya.
Bourgeoisie boys. At saka ng mga Weirdo Boys. Tara na.
Maraming salamat po sa Weirdo Boys. Kahit po ganyan po yan, kahit mga nahihiya, mga ano po yan, makukulit po yan. Grabe, promise.
Pupunta naman tayo sa...
Pumunta naman po tayo sa representative ng Ribbon Girl. Miss, magandang araw po. Ano pong masasabi mo para kay Ma'am? Thank you po sa paghaba ng pasensya nyo. Thank you rin ma'am sa pagbibigay ng grade sa amin ng marami. Yun lang ma'am, thank you.
And I never thought I'd feel this way. And as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I
your eyes.